The first year of IMPACT, which is of course one of only 2 transplant trial networks in the world, and David as medical director has worked tirelessly to develop a portfolio of 4 prospective randomized trials to be launched this year, the first year. David's leading a study looking at reduced intensity conditioning regimens in older patients with ALL. We're clear that allogeneic transplant is a very important emerging curative option in this population of patients, but we don't quite know how to deliver the transplant. There are going to be 2 important acute myeloid leukemia studies, one called COSI, which is going to look at conditioning regimens, and another called Amadeus, which is going to be examining the benefit of maintenance with oral azacitidine, CC486. And then finally, and it's recruiting already, a study led by Victoria Potter from King's, which is the first randomized study of the benefit of DLI after reduced intensity transplant patients with mixed T-cell chimerism, which we hope is going to recruit rapidly and even close out at the end of next year. A prospect that would have been unthinkable 3 years ago, and it's only possible, firstly, because of the unstinting generosity of Anthony Nolan, Luca, NHSBT, but also the full-throated support of the UK transplant community, who recognise that a really important way of improving transplant outcome for our patients is to deliver prospective randomised studies.